Hey guys, I'm back here for another video, and today, oh my gosh, the sun is so bright. And today I am joined by Andy, Josh, who is vlogging too. I'm gonna show you guys.
Hey guys!
I know, that's cool. And then I'm joined by Juan, which is all the way up there.
Yeah, I'm joined by Juan. He won't come in the video.
Oh, whoa. Guys, and Sally, my tripod snapped in half, so I have to use my hands to vlog. And I said there was going to be a vlog coming out today, and a vlog did come out, hopefully. And if you guys do not know, yeah, that's all. So we are going to Hollywood Boulevard. I'm not a mean person. And Juan said whenever he doesn't upload a video, he's going to do /slap Juan.
I don't know what
Juan.
we're going to do.
I'm not doing that anymore. Oh, yeah, you should say that to your viewers.
I don't know what
Yeah.
I do know we
Three hairlines. Oh my gosh. So guys, we are going to Hollywood Boulevard, and Juan wants to get a rainbow fidget spinner.
Well, I'm after another one. I wonder what other ones are there.
Yeah, there are a lot of cool ones, and guys, we will see you once we are in Hollywood Boulevard. Guys, so we are almost at Hollywood Boulevard. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the front of it. Josh is right there. Juan's right there. And Andy's right there. This is the cars. There's a some smart person there.
Stupid. See me walking with kids.
Hairlines here.
Alright, yo, I'll call you back.
Yeah. So this is Hollywood. So guys, I have no idea why. Yeah. Stuff. We're right there. Like, I'll show you guys. Don't. Why am I wearing these sandals? Oh, oops, they're my mom's. I just got exposed. Guys, we have not seen what Hollywood Boulevard looks like. It is like this. And guys, be sure to hit that like button.
And hit that like button. What he just said.
Big daily stuff.
Yeah, this is Hollywood.
Ooh, yeah. Like there's Hot Rock Cafe. Wait, I'm gonna try to zoom into that. Hot Rock Cafe and a lot of other. Hey guys, so we're in Hollywood. And sorry if you can't hear me, but I'm pretty sure you guys can. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get copyright. But who cares? Because I'm gonna play my own background music right now. So yes, guys, I'm gonna show you what we're doing. Juan, hold Andy's hand. Okay, guys. So
Logan Paul or Jake Paul?
Logan Paul, both.
I'm a Logan Paul.
So I'll see you guys when we're at the fidget spinners. We're at the fidget spinners. This is really cool. Oh, look at this. Woo. Imagine that. Woo.
Ooh, guys, I'm gonna try out.
This is really cool. So is this one. This one looks like a dragon. This one's Godzilla or something.
Oh, that one looks fast. Look, Lonnie. Oh, look, a God sign. Look, it's a God. It's a God. Let's see how fast this thing can go. It's God, bro. It's supposed to the speed of the sound. You okay?
Oh, wow.
That is it, Lonnie.
Cool one.
Oh, look
one's a fidget spinner cube. This is Mewtwo from Pokemon. If you guys do not know.
Oh, wait, what's this one? This one sounds good.
This is
guys.
Mewtwo.
You can hear it. Yeah, I think you guys can hear that.
And this is Bumblebee. And this is Bumblebee from Transformers.
Oh, this one's not that bad.
And this one's Spider-Man. And I do not want to drop that one.
Oh my god, guys, look at this one. Wait.
Where did my dad?
These are the best.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hold on, look. It's a deck of cards. So let's see. The 10, a joker, a queen, a king. Oh, sorry guys.
I think this is how I should end the video for now on.
Lonnie, look at these Transformers. Lonnie, I think I might choose this one.
Dad,
Here we go.
oh, look, Josh, look.
Oh, there's Andy. Can you spin it on? Is this legendary? How do you spin this?
Oh, this is
So guys, let's just go. Let's go, guys. So I already watched this one. There's nothing else. Oh, this one looks really cool. How much is this one?
$10. $10.
$10?
$10.
Wait, excuse me, how much is this one?
$10. Everything $10.
So all of them are $10?
So we are at the next location. I actually bought a fidget spinner from here before, and I'll show you guys what they have.
Look at that one. But this is
that
the
one.
cool one. Where is this?
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh, look at these.
And woo.
Lonnie. It's a machine. It's literally a machine.
I'm gonna spin this.
I was almost about to put my phone down. Oh, look at this. Why does that keep happening?
Oh my god. Look at these.
Oh, look at that one, Lonnie.
Guys do not know they're from Harry Potter. Ooh. Oh my god, I almost dropped it.
Yeah, but it doesn't spin that fast.
And then super long thingy. Yeah, wow, this is so heavy. It weighs like 10 pounds.
Wait, there's a gaming one? Oh, I want to go
Gaming, guys, it's like a gaming controller. Woo! Gaming controller. Oh my god! This is so cool. What is this? Guys, I might get copyright. Guys, I found a double spinner, legit.
You just got it. Guys, look.
Woo. Guys, so I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Hope to see you guys on another piece, and have a nice day.